Hi there. Egg Lab Day 4 is coming to you from my house because I wasn't at school today. So I have the egg after it has been soaking in water now for 24 hours. Here it is. Here it is. And I'm going to rinse it off and I'm going to measure its mass and measure its long circumference and its short circumference as before. Before we do that, remember to write down your observations of the egg for the at first and after soaked in distilled water. So what does it look like? Well, let's see. It is at the bottom, so it's sunk. It looks all kind of crusty and flaky. And it looks bigger than it did yesterday. So let's rinse it off and let's measure it. It's actually quite big, actually. You can see, it's still squishy. Okay, so I'm going to set it in a cup, and I'm going to measure its mass. And I'll show you the scale. Let's see, there's grams. On there you can see the scale. So this is the egg in the cup, of course, on the scale. 129 grams. 129 grams. And the long and short circumference, I'll measure with the measuring tape. Long circumference looks to be, you can see the tape is at 19.8 for the long circumference, and looks to be at 18.1 for the short circumference. 18.1 for the short circumference. So, there you have it. There's all the data that you need for the egg. That concludes all the data you need to collect for the egg lab. Thanks.